Hello everyone. I hope you all are doing well. Today we have a new letter Q. Letter Q has a story for us, a story of a queen. But first, let us know the sound Q makes. Q says, Qua, Qua. Are you all ready for the story? Once upon a time, there lived a beautiful queen. Her name was Queenie. She lived in a big palace. The queen had two pets in her palace. One was a quail who sang beautifully. The other pet was a duck who quacked all day long. Quack, 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 quack. One day, Queenie, the queen, fell ill and she became quiet. She just laid in her bed under the quilt. Children, do you know what is a quilt? It is that warm, thick blanket, which is also called a razai, that you use in the winter season. Queen's pet became sad. They wanted her to play with them. But the queen was very quiet and she did not say a word. The duck quacked and quacked till it became noisy. Quack, 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 quack. Finally, the quail asked the duck to be quiet. Shh. The quail took one of her quill and wrote a letter to the doctor. Quail gave the letter to the duck and asked the duck to quickly bring the doctor to the palace. After the duck left, the quail kept awake the whole night and sang songs for the beautiful queen. The next morning, Queenie, the queen, got up and she was perfectly all right. And her pets were too happy. I hope you all enjoyed the story of letter Q. Time for a quick recap. Q queen. Q quail. Q quack. The duck makes the sound quack. Q quiet. Shh. Q quilt. Razai. Q quill. Letter Q. Let us recognize a cursive Q and the print Q. This is capital cursive Q and this is small cursive Q. Look at this, children. This is a print Q. Let us revise some more words with letter Q. Quail, quiet, quiz, where you have questions and answers. Queen, quilt, razai, and quarter. Children, whenever you cut a thing into 4 equal parts, so one piece is called the quarter. Like when we cut a pizza also into 4 pieces. So one slice is a quarter. And look at the border. Can you recognize? Yes, it is a question mark. When you ask a question, that is, what is your name? How old are you? Mama, what are you making for dinner today? Am I looking good? All these are questions. My dear children, you have to look for the quirk in print over here. I've marked one for you in the word quill. It begins with the sound quirk. This is the print cue. Can you find one in the word quiet? Very good. And over here in the word quiz? Yes. And queen, quilt, and quarter. Very good. Activity time. Today I have 2 activities. This first activity is for my boys. Now the boys, they have to do paper quilt making. Ask Mama or Daddy to give you 9 small squares of printed colored paper, or maybe old wrapping paper which you use to wrap gifts, or newspapers. If you have newspaper squares, you can color them. And you can even ask Mama if you have old pieces of cloth, cut them into squares. Now take a sheet of paper or a newspaper and stick these 9 squares on them to get your own designer quilt. You can look at the pictures. On the left hand side is a quilt made with those fabrics, small pieces of cloth which you stuck together. And on your right hand side is that using colored sheets, printed sheets, wrapping papers, whatever you get. If you do not have the colored sheets or the printed sheets, children, you can take small square pieces and color them or make patterns on them. You can have zigzag lines, you can have dots on them. Whatever design you want, you can decorate it that way and stick all of them together. This activity is for my girls. The name of the activity is Queen's Crown. Ask Mama or Daddy to give you strips of paper and some crayons. Cut the strip of paper in the shape of a crown using child-friendly scissors. But remember, you have to do this under adult supervision. You have to sit with Mama or Daddy for cutting out the shape. But do it yourself, but they should be with you. You can color your crown and even decorate it, like the pictures which I have given below. Wear it on your head and say, I am a queen, queen. Children, enjoy doing the activities and remember, you have to send me your pictures. Till then, bye-bye.